English to Pashto short sentences. I'm alive only for you. زه صرف ستا د پاره ژوندی یم. I'm alive only for you. This is your love. دا ستا مینه ده. This is your love. His days are numbered. هغه مرګ ته نږدې دی. His days are numbered. Oil my hair. ویښته راله غوړ کا. Oil my hair. She is perfect for you. هغه ستا د پاره صحیح ده. She is perfect for you. I can wait for him lifelong. زه ټول ژوند د هغه انتظار کولی شم. I can wait for him lifelong. He deceived me. هغه زه وغولولم. He deceived me. یا هغه مال دوکه راکړه. At behest of a girl. د جینۍ په وینا. At behest of a girl. Go from here. د دې ځای نه ځه. Go from here. Right now. وس. Right now. Who is he coming towards? هغه د چا طرف ته را روان دی. Who is he coming towards? Towards me. ما طرف ته. Towards me. Don't eat such things. داسې شیزونه مه خوره. Don't eat such things. That age has gone by. هغه زمانه تیره شوه. That age has gone by. This is the last one. دا یو اخیری دی. This is the last one. That was the last one. هغه یو اخیری و. That was the last one. I wanted this one. زما دا یو پکار و. I wanted that one. زما دغه یو پکار و. I wanted that one. Take this one. دا یو واخله. Take this one. Take that one. دغه یو واخله. Take that one. The room is this way. کمره دې طرف ته ده. The room is this way. So much changed. ډېر زیات بدلون. So much changed. Before noon. د ماسپښین نه مخکې. Before noon. Before dinner. د ماښام روټۍ نه مخکې. Before dinner. I never tried. ما چرته هڅه نه ده کړې. I never tried. He never loved. هغه چرته مینه نه ده کړې. He never loved. I never saw you. ما ته چرته نه یې لیدلې. I never saw you. I never met you. زه در سره چرته نه یم میلاو شوی. I never met you. I never noticed. ما چرته پام نه دی کړی. I never noticed. I never said no. ما چرته نه ندی ویلی. I never said no. Give me a date. مال یو کجوره راکا. Give me a date. Give me a fritter. مال یو پکوړه راکا. Give me a fritter. I'm happy with my life. زه د خپل ژوند نه خوشاله یم. I'm happy with my life. This is my story. دا زما قصه ده. This is my story. Don't talk back to me. مال الټه جواب مرا کوا. Don't talk back to me. Don't you have manners? آیا پتا کی تمیز نشتا؟ Don't you have manners? Narrow place. تنگ ځای. Narrow place. Don't ride a bicycle in narrow places. پتنگ ځایونو کې سایکل مچلوا. Don't ride a bicycle in narrow places. For whom all. د چا چا د پارا. For whom all. What all. سسا. What all. What type of. سرنگی. What type of. With whom all. د چا چا سرا. With whom all. Throw the ball. بال ورتاو کا. Throw the ball. Over the wall. د دیوال د پاسا. Over the wall. Make tea for me. چای را لپوخ کا. Make tea for me. I don't know how to make tea. مالا د چای پخولو چل نه راځي. I don't know how to make tea. Smile happily. د خوشحالی نه مسکی شه. Smile happily. Talk nicely. په ښه طریقه خبرې کوا. Talk nicely. Beat him. هغه ووهه. Beat him. Not at all. د سره نه. Not at all. Thanks for your advice. ستا د ښوونې مننه. Thanks for your advice. Don't hurt anybody. چاته افغان مرسوا. Don't hurt anybody. Don't use mobile. موبایل مه استعمالوا. Don't use mobile. While studying. د مطالعې په وخت کې. While studying. I keep on talking. زه خبرې کول کوم. I keep on talking. What sort of habit is this? دا څنګه عادت دی. What sort of habit is this? All the time. هر وخت. All the time. Eat little by little. لږ لږ خورا. Eat little by little. She lost money. هغې پیسې ورکې کړې. She lost money. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.